Should you buy it or not? Let's find out. Hey YouTube, back again with another video. On today's video, we're going to do a product review of the Fanatic 007 Snowstorm car shampoo. This shampoo, they claim to be pH neutral with intense gloss and instant hydrophobic water beading, touchless wash snow foam, ceramic coating safe. I got this product off of Amazon. It cost me about $16. I'm no way affiliated with Fanatic, or nor am I sponsored by them. I actually bought this product after watching their YouTube video. Good video. It showed the snow foam pulling dirt off and leaving it on the driveway. So I'm going to put it to the test today and let you know if this is a good product to buy or not. So let's go. Okay, per the instructions, it says to dilute 2 to 4 ounces of soap into your foam cannon. So I have 2 ounces here, and I'm going to go ahead and add that to the foam cannon. I can tell you guys, comparing it to the Honeydew soap from Chemical Guys, this is not as thick. The smell, it kind of reminds me of a little bit of a dog shampoo kind of smell, so it doesn't really have a fruity kind of smell. So I just added 2 ounces to the bottle. It also states add 2 ounces to your wash bucket, which I'm going to do now, and let's see how this thing performs. All right, so I added the 2 ounces to the wash bucket. Let's see how it foams up. All right, pretty decent foam. So guys, I've had the soap on for a little over 2 minutes, and I can already see all the dirt and grime coming off. Don't know if you guys can pick it up there, but this soap does a very good job of taking off dirt and bugs. See that right there? More dirt coming off there, bugs. So far so good. Let's see how it rinses off. And this is how the car looks after just applying the snow foam cannon with the soap. Did not touch it at all. It is pretty clean. I gotta say that this soap is as advertised and does a good job at pulling away dirt and bugs from the car. All right, so my final thoughts on Fanatic 007 Snowstorm Car Shampoo. The way I rate products is I give it what's called a swag value score from 1 to 10. 1 being pathetic, don't even buy this thing or look at it, and 10 being the greatest thing on earth. So as far as cleaning power, I give this product an 8. It pulled the brake dust off. I saw bugs coming off without me even touching it. As far as foam, I give it a swag value score of 6. It was decent, but it can't compare to Chemical Guy's Honeydew Snow Foam, which is way thicker. Fragrance, I gave it a 4. I'm used to these soaps having like a fruit flavored smell, but this one honestly smells like dog shampoo. Lubricity, I gave it a 5. I thought it was pretty average. It wasn't bad, it wasn't great. Value, I also gave it a 5. It's a 16-ounce bottle and I paid $16, so you're looking at $1 an ounce. And that's kind of average with all the other car shampoos that are out there, except for Meguiar's, which you get your bang for your buck. Overall, I give it a 6 out of 10 swag value. It's a good product. It does the job. You can't go wrong with this if you have this in your car cleaning arsenal. So let me know down in the comments below if you have tried this product and what your thoughts were. And until the next video, like, share, and subscribe.